welcome to Nasike's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe on how to make mabuyu. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. Remember to like, comment and share. The ingredients that I'm going to use are 1 tablespoon of black pepper, a 1/4 tablespoon of food color, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 1 cup of sugar, that is a 1/2 cup. I've added another 1/2 cup of sugar in my cooking pot. I'm going to use a 1/2 kg of baobab seeds or mabuyu seeds, and then I'm going to also use 1.5 cup of baobab powder. In my cooking pot, I'm going to add some water, which is a 1/2 cup, and keep on stirring. It's cooking. So I'll mix and mix and mix until the consistency is sticky. And there's another recipe that I did for mabuyu. You can check it out on my YouTube channel. As it has started like boiling, I'm going to add my spices and keep on mixing. And for the other recipe, it was not spicy. This one is the one that is spicy, so you can check it out and also try it. And if you're wondering where to get your baobabs, you would want to do the recipe and you don't know where to get the baobab, you can reach me out and I will be able to help you with that. So I'll keep on mixing and mixing and mixing, and this is the best recipe that you can make for your kids. It's not time consuming, yeah, and it's very, very simple. So after it has started cooking again, I mix and mix and mix. That's how I test the consistency. If it's sticky, then it's good to go. I'll remove it and set it aside, and take a 1/2 cup of the syrup and set it aside also. I've added the baobab seeds to the syrup that was in the sufuria, and then I add the powder bit by bit as I mix and mix and mix until it gets to the consistency that I want. After like 3 to 4 minutes, I've added the baobab seeds in my tray, and I'm going to sun dry them on the sun. But if you're in a hurry, alternatively, you can put them in your oven and you let them dry from there. Yeah, I think that one is more faster if you are in a hurry. But if there's no hurry, you can use the other alternative, which is the sun. And make sure that you spread them well so that every particle of the baobab gets the sun rays. So after waiting for 3 to 4 hours of sun drying, my baobab mabuyu is ready. You can see how lovely they look. Guys, you should try out this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.